Hi, welcome back to the Alexander Show. And today we're going to be doing the bouncy ball experiment. And it is this one right here. And it's Discovery Extreme Science. And it's this one. For this bouncy fun experiment, you're gonna need the ball mold, and ball making powder, then glow in the dark ball making powder cup, not include water, not Snap together the two parts.
Yeah, we already did that.
Now we're gonna make sure the mold is closed so we can pour the powder in. Yeah, is it okay? All of it? Now we got the powder.
A little bit more.
Okay. Is that good? Now we got the powder in.
Come on.
Oh. Now we got the powder in. Now we have some warm water in a wine cup or shot cup, like wine. Salud.
Now you wait for 10 minutes.
Wait, who let Lily out? Ah! 52 seconds. 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, and 9, 8, 2, 1, pause. Now take it out.
Now,
Let's open the mold.
go from the water and let it sit for 10 minutes.
10 minutes is starting. Is up and I got pause my timer. How do I pause my timer? Oh yeah, it's already paused. How do we take it out? Is it tiny bouncy? Oh! What? Is it good?
But if you can just let it in.
It's not bouncing. This is the bouncy ball. We have to let it dry for like 800 minutes. This thing is cool. Okay, we're just chasing Lily. I'll do the glow in the dark one, then I'll show that these two at the end. So, now we have our two. This one glows in the dark and this one doesn't. Oh, that was gonna hit here. It hit my nose. Now, give a thumbs up and subscribe. No thumbs down. Thumbs up. See you next time in my third. Bye. Bye.